Hello everyone, welcome to SRBPS online classes. This is again your science teacher Nisha Sharma going to teach you for class 3rd. Our today's topic is birds. Today we will study about birds, the most beautiful and cute creature of the God. So, birds. Birds are the animals that can fly. As you know, birds are flying in the sky. The body is divided into a head, trunk or a tail. The body is divided into 3 parts. The first one is head, second is trunk and third is its tail. They have 2 pairs of limbs, means they have 2 pairs of things or body parts by which it can move, means they have a pair of legs and a pair of wings. They have 2 legs but no hands. Their wings are covered with feathers. As you would have seen many birds, so you will see that their wings are having so many feathers which help them to fly. Their mouth is called as beak. As you know that their mouth is different from our mouth, as we people do have teeth but they do not have teeth. Birds do not have teeth, they have beak instead of teeth. Clear? So these are the body parts of bird. As you know, it has 2 eyes, 1 head. Its head is known as crown. It has a beak to eat insects as well as fruits and nuts. It has belly, which we call stomach in our body. So they have belly. They have wings to fly. They have tail to change direction. And they have claws to hold the things. Clear? All birds are living on different places. As you would have seen that you would see different kinds of birds at different places. Like some birds such as kites, vultures, albatross, etc. spend a lot of time in flying in search of food. Some birds like kites, vulture or eagle, you would see that they are flying for a longer time. They are flying for searching food, for going from one place to other place. So these are living in air for the most of the time. Clear? Some birds are there like ducks, flamingo, crane, etc. They live in seas, rivers, lakes and ponds. And as these birds are living in water, these are called water birds. What do we call them? Water birds. Clear? Some birds are there which cannot fly. These birds are called flightless birds. What do we say them? Flightless birds means the birds which cannot fly. So you would be thinking that if they are not flying, so what will they do? They are moving on the land. Okay, so some examples are like kiwi, cassowary, ostrich, etc. They live on land. And do you know, ostrich is the fastest running bird. Yes, ostrich is the fastest running bird, and cassowary is the second fastest bird. Okay, cassowary is the second fastest running bird. Clear? Some birds such as parrots, toucans, sparrows, pigeons, crow, they live on trees for most of their time. You would see many other birds are also living on trees. Clear? So all birds are living at different places. Some are living at land, some are living on trees, some are living in water, and some are spending most of time in air in search of food. Clear? So this is our introduction to the topic bird. I hope you got clear with the things. We will meet again. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.